Ay, wag na. Sige, wag na.
Gusto ko nung kabila kang babagsak.
Paano yun? Sige, kaya yan, kaya yan.
Galay tayo dito.
Saan mo lang chorus?
Dito ka muna manggaling, anak. Siya mga mag-start, di ba? Dito ka manggaling muna, anak. Dito ka. Gusto ko,
Bawi ka
dito
na lang sa first stanza.
Okay, start ka dito. Diga, para meron may drama bugaga. Katalikod, and then start your song like this. Okay? And then, pag time na ni Larnie, exit kang ganyan, pasok si Larnie dito sa position nito. And then, papasok ka lang uli, okay? Pagkanta ng counterpoint, magkaharap kayo. Okay? Harap kayong ganyan, and then ibibigay nyo sa audience at a certain point kapag nagka-common na kayo. Okay? Ikaw ang mag-cue kung kailan bibigay sa audience. Okay? Ang you kina Poy at saka kina Van kanina, ako titinginan lang sila. I have to cue them when to give it to the audience. But now, kayo, you know when to give it to the audience na. Okay? Naintindihan mo, anak? Okay, do it for Goofy. Okay?
Opo. Si Goofy.
Ano?
Yung kalabaw ko daw, sir.
Sir, sa baba ko na lang. Huwag mataas mo.
Kayo, bahala ko. Tingayin mo na lang.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Are you going to use the music, anak? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Talikod muna, biglang pagkanta harap para may drama. Okay?
Kayang tanggapin.
Okay. Yan. Wow! Shit! Okay, ready? And roll tape. Rolling 5, 4, 3, 2, music!
Nobody can tell ya there's only one song worth singing. They may try and sell ya, cause it hands them up to see someone like you. But you gotta make your own kind of music. Sing your own special song. Make your own kind of music, even if nobody else sings along.
Sing a song, make it loud, sing out strong, sing of good things, not bad, sing of happy, not sad, sing a song, make it simple tonight, a whole night long. Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear.
Just sing a
Sing a song, sing out loud, sing out strong, sing of good things, not bad, sing of happy, not sad,
Sing your own kind of
sing
music.
a song.
Sing your own kind of song.
Make it simple tonight. Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear.
Just sing
a song. Just sing a song.
Okay, cut. Okay. Reaction ko sa inyo. Apparently, vocally, ang ganda ng kombinasyon ng boses ninyo. Okay? I mean, vocally, this is the team to beat on Saturday kasi ang timpla ng boses ninyo. Secondly, that was not a counterpoint, that's a medley.
No, sir.
Okay? I only saw a semblance of the counterpoint at ang boses mo ang baba-baba para lamang ginawang background mo sa kanta ni Larnie. That's not a counterpoint, that's a medley.
Opo.
Huli.
Hindi gusto ni Guppy yan.
Sorry.
Okay?
Thank you, Derek.
Pero nice, yung vocal combination ninyo. Very nice vocal combination, saka mabuhay yung kanta. But that's not a counterpoint. Okay. Halika.
Bawi na lang tayo sa atin. Mamaya, bawi tayo.
Asan si Christina?
Nobody can tell ya.
There's only one song.
There's only one thing.
Kasi super taas kasi.
They may try and tell ya.
Maganda kung may